The best stir-fry pasta is of course in the stir-frying process, the ingredients you use, and also when you add your ingredients. Let me show you how I make mine. So first you're going to start by frying some onions, garlic, pepper with some vegetable oils. You need to fry this until it's fragrant and release all that aroma and all that awesomeness. So go in with vegetables of choice. I use carrots, red and green bell peppers. That was all I had at the moment, so this is basically what I use. Stir that for about 3 minutes on high heat and then go in with your other ingredients. For spices, you can choose to use any spice you want, but make sure you include Italian spice or herbs. Now after adding your spices, salt and seasoning, you're gonna stir that a bit to combine, then go in with your cooked pasta. After adding your cooked pasta, you're going to go in with some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and the one which is optional, which is my peri-peri sauce. I just needed to, change the taste a bit, so I added this, but it's totally optional. Now you're going to keep stirring this at the same time frying until everything comes together and you achieve something like this. So at this junction, I'm gonna add my final ingredient, which by the way should always be added at the last moment because you don't want it overcooked. My shredded cabbage goes in, give everything another good stir, and your stir-fry pasta is ready. Let me know what you think about the stir-fry pasta, and also you can also use rice instead of pasta for this recipe, and I promise you save this recipe and keep using this recipe to create amazing pasta dishes or rice dishes. Okay guys, bye.